Today is a beautiful morning.
Yes, the weather is perfect.
Let's go to the garden today.
Great idea. I love gardening.
First, we should take our tools.
I will bring the watering can.
I will bring the small shovel.
Look, the garden looks dry.
Yes, the plants need water.
Let's water them carefully.
These flowers are so beautiful.
Yes, but some leaves are dry.
We should remove the dry leaves.
Good idea. Plants look better now.
Let's plant some new seeds.
Which seeds do we have today?
We have tomato and sunflower seeds.
Let's plant tomatoes first.
I will make small holes in the soil.
I will put seeds inside them.
Now cover them with soft soil.
Should we water them now?
Yes, but only a little water.
Gardening needs patience.
True, plants grow slowly.
But watching them grow feels amazing.
Look, this plant has new leaves.
It means our care is working.
Let's add some compost here.
Compost makes the soil healthy.
The garden looks fresh now.
Yes, it feels peaceful here.
We should come here every morning.
Then our plants will grow strong.
Gardening teaches us responsibility.
And it makes us love nature.
I feel happy after this work.
Me too, gardening is fun.
Tomorrow, we will check the seeds again.
Yes, our green garden journey begins today 5:42 p.m.